Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new video. As all of us are very excited for the Black Friday season, my team has got a very exciting platform for all of us. It's the One Deal page. One Deal page is a constant effort of our team. This is a single page where you can get all the Black Friday deals together. These handpicked deals are curated from various sites and is being updated from time to time to give you a very fresh look of all the deals. So see, we have been redirected to the one deal page and how beautiful it looks. So let's have a tour of this page. So as I scroll down, I could see various deals which are featured on this page. So suppose I I want to go to Pabli. So if I click on the Get It Now option, I will be redirected to the deal page. See, we have come to the deal page, and from here we can grab that deal. Again, coming back to this, we have added a short description of the lifetime deal, that what is it all about and the deal price. And such more deals are here. So as we scroll down, we have got hundreds of deals on a single page, and at coming down, we have got this navigation bar where we can actually go to other pages to see other deals. So again, if I come back to the header section, I've got a menu where there are various menu sections. One is related to the deal category. So suppose if we are looking for a chatbot or a messaging deal, we can actually go to the deal category. We can select that option. And suppose if I've selected chatbots and messaging option, all the deals related to that will appear here. And also if you want to reset all these categories, you can do that. Other than that, there is also a category of deal type. So there you have this annual deal, lifetime, or the WordPress deal. Suppose if you're looking for a lifetime deal, we can actually click on this option and all the lifetime deals will appear here. Then on the other side of the page, there is a there is a there is a sorting option where you can actually sort your deals according to the popularity or maybe the trends, the default or the latest options, and so on. Other than that, this page is also has also got a contest running by our team. That is the share and win contest. Once you click on this share and win option, you have to enter your name and the email address, and you can share the page and you will win exciting AppSumo deals. So this is a brief intro about what is one deal page, and I hope you have liked this. Thank you so much.